My name is Ritch Robin. I'm the founder and owner of Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I'm going to walk you through what is a newly designed Rebel. We are basing the new Rebel design off of our dual stacker. Our dual stacker was an extremely popular cabinet or insulated style cooker. So we are now making our Rebel along the same line or design as the dual stacker. And the biggest improvement or change to the Rebel is we are now going to offer standard the fully insulated front doors. The original Rebel had 1/4-inch thick doors and everything else was insulated, and it had 2 stacks up on top. We're actually redesigned the Rebel to the same design overall as the dual stacker. So we've incorporated the upper lower level stacks, and we've incorporated the fully insulated front doors, top and bottom, being your food chamber and your charcoal firebox down below. So that is the difference now in what will be shown on our website in the near future will be the new designed Rebel. The Rebel is much larger in comparison to the dual stacker in that the Rebel will hold 2 full-size foil pans in the main chamber on each of the 4 racks. That's eight full-size foil pans will fit in the Rebel. The dual stacker will hold 1 full-size foil pan. Difference in I would consider a backyard or competition cooker in the dual stacker to a more commercial size cooker, quantity cooker in the larger Rebel. What we have here is a fully insulated cooker. Gator Pit uses a 2300 degree ceramic fiber all the way around all of the walls, top, bottom, all the side walls, back and front walls. 2300 degree ceramic fiber insulation. It is right at 2 inches thick. Right now, to my knowledge, it is the highest rated insulation and the thickest insulation used in insulated cookers on the market today. So what we have is our stainless steel latches. These are heavy duty latches. They're adjustable. You can tighten up your doors if you need to. If they're a little too tight, you can adjust them and move them out some. You've got our Gator Pit gauges. This particular Rebel, at the customer's request, is custom painted to the color codes that she sent us. We match those codes at our supplier, and here you go. The bottom has a stainless steel handle to slide the air intake vents. Again, the heavy duty stainless steel latches for the firebox door. Here you have a slide out ash pan. This ash pan is removable. You have what comes standard. Our charcoal basket Tplates are removable for longer, slower burn time. That is removable as well. You have our gaskets all the way around. These gaskets are easily replaceable if you ever do need to replace them. They are not adhesive or glued. They actually have stainless steel clips on the inside that clip them to the walls that we put around to seal the doors. So these aren't the glue and adhesive type gaskets that are known to possibly come off or not adhere, that you eventually have to or continuously have to repair, replace. These gaskets are better quality, a more user-friendly gasket, and they actually seal better. Again, Gator Pit's always doing what we can to improve our products and also make our products just a notch above everything else that we know is on the market today. Again, you can see the thick door. It's fully insulated. Double gauges, dual gauges, Gator Pit stainless steel logo. Inside here, you'll see we have rib racks. These rib racks slide in and out. You also have your standard food grates or meat grates. This actually is the grate that goes in this level. We're getting ready to ship this to a customer tomorrow. So we're getting it packaged right now. You can see the gauge boxes and all that are in here. But we have 4 sliding meat racks that are standard. The rib racks that you see in here now are optional to any of our cookers. Again, you see our nice heavy duty gasket that goes all the way around. We've got the double wall, the fully flanges here. You can hear how solid that door is. You've got heavy duty handles on the side, both sides. This customer opted and added these drop down stainless steel tables on both sides or shelves. They actually fold down. We have utensil hangers. These also fold as well, as you can see, so that they're not banging and hitting on the side wall when they're closed. The handles here also serve as like a spice rack to put your spices in here. We have a probe hole in the side so that this particular customer can hook up wire thermometers. We also have a Guru or Stoker inlet on the side wall here to hook up that Stoker or Guru device. And you can set your monitors up here and run the wires to the side probe hole. We got dual adjustable Birdhouse stacks in the back. I'll walk the camera around and show the back here in a minute. Over here we've got a paper towel hanger. It is also swivels so that when you fold this table down, it actually folds flush or flat against the side wall. We have 6-inch casters with foot brakes on there that lock this pit in place so it doesn't roll accidentally. It secures it in place. Your adjustable stacks up top. Again, we have our 2-inch ball valve drain in the back. This customer opted and added a 90 to the back of it on that ball valve. That ball valve comes straight out. We put a 90 on it, pointing it down, and then put the valve down below so that they can just easily have the juices or the water or anything that they're flushing out of there, draining easier into a bucket. What else we got on this thing? That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is custom quality. This cooker, to give you an idea of the amount of steel that we use in this Rebel, we weighed it at 1,008 pounds. 1,008 pounds. That is crazy weight. But again, it goes back to Gator Pit's quality of construction. We're not using thin gauge sheet metal. We're fully welding double walls, basically a box in a box with real steel, double walling it. We're coming in here with heavy duty angle framed sliding meat racks, a heavy duty ash pan, heavy duty firebox or fire grate with Tplates in it, charcoal basket. Tplates are removable. Everything that Gator Pit does is going to be quality construction and the best materials that are available in the market to build our cookers. No leak. Don't have to worry about the smoke coming out. Don't have to worry about the heat loss coming out the doors. It is not going to happen on this pit. And as you well know from doing research and looking at our videos and talking to customers on these barbecue forums and other websites, you will hear people talk about how tight Gator Pit's doors are. We're known for tight seals on all of our Gator Pits, our offset smokers and everything else that we fabricate. Everything we do is extremely heavy duty commercial grade cookers from our backyards to our actual commercial cookers. You're not sacrificing any kind of quality just because you get a smaller pit for your backyard from Gator Pit. We're putting those same welders, that same quality construction, that same quality design, my designs, into your cooker, no matter what it costs. All right? You want to talk to me about a Gator Pit, you want to talk to me about this particular pit and the options available for it. I already pointed out some of the options of the stainless steel side folding tables and the rib racks. The custom paint as well. We have colors that you can choose from, or you can do like this customer did, send us the color codes, we'll go to our paint suppliers and we'll match it. All right? There's a whole slew of options you can do on these things. But give me a call. I'm Ritch Robin. I'm the founder and owner of Gator Pit of Texas. I'm here in Houston. When you call, talk to my assistant, ask for me. I'll be happy to speak with you. I handle all the sales. I manage all the orders. Guys, I'll tell you what, we're busy. The Gator Pit is not known for ordering a pit today and driving off with it, or ordering a pit today and getting it tomorrow. We have customers, literally clients worldwide, Singapore, Seoul, Korea, Hong Kong, Russia, Australia, the UK, Canada, Mexico, Thailand. I have got all those orders on the books right now. Those folks are waiting for Gator Pits, and those are in addition to all of our US customers. We are busy. Our Gator Pits are in high demand. You're going to wait for our product. Just be patient. It's coming. But I just want you to know up front that you're not going to get a pit today. You're not going to order it and get it today. It's just not going to happen, guys. I'm not going to sacrifice my quality to stack them high and sell them cheap. It's not going to happen. We're not known for that. We don't have customers ordering and spending the money they do on us, because that's not what they expect when that Gator Pit arrives at their door or when they show up at my shop to come pick it up. So give me a call, 713-896-0144. You can email at info@gatorpit.net. That's info@gatorpit.net. Go to our website at gatorpit.net. Browse our website. There's hundreds and hundreds of photos and videos. Go to our YouTube channel. Go to our Gator Pit Facebook pages. Check out all these custom pits that we've done. I've done designed and built so many cookers, so many different styles and designs since I was 14 years old. Everything I've ever done, there's no way it's going to be on a website. It's just too much custom work to put on a website. All right, you can browse my website for days as it is right now. All right, you got something that you want, call me. I'll be happy to talk to you. I'll be happy to design it. I'll be happy to build it. All right, again, Ritch Robin, I'm out. Keep them smoking.